We haven't done a budget-friendly vehicle for a while, especially ground vehicles, so we thought it was time, and lucky you get 2 for the price of 1. Well, not really, just the video. Two videos for the price of 1 video. They're all free, so let's go have fun. Hey everyone, I'm Nate.
And I'm Abby.
Amelia's taking a nap and Popeye is swabbing the poop decks. We're the RC Sailors.
Poor
Welcome
Popeye.
to our RC family. Guys, check it out. We have a little HAIBOXING RC car. These are sold on Amazon, completely ready to run. This guy comes in under $80. As I said, ready to run. It is a brushed but 4-wheel drive setup. And I'll tell you what, Abby and I are going to have fun with both of these today in this video. But if this video gets 1,000 likes, in the next week or so, we will take these out and race them at the track. Because, you know, as much as we like all of our very expensive, awesome RC vehicles that are multiple hundreds of dollars, we also like to show you guys that you can have fun and race and just really have a good time in the RC hobby for less than $100 for each of these vehicles. So maybe you're wanting to get into the hobby with your significant other. Well, this would be a really good option, at least assuming they hold up well in bashing today. You could each have one of these for about $80 and go have fun together. Anyway, ready to run. They both come with a 2-cell rechargeable, I think it's a 650 milliamp LiPo battery with a JST plug on there, a brushed setup with a receiver ESC combo. I like the power switch that they have here. It's in the back, it's like a button. And then both of these sets of vehicles do come with a sticker sheet, which is awesome, but let's face it,
we like our stickers better.
Our stickers do look better. So if you want to support us and what we do, showing you guys honest video reviews of RCs, then we'll have our Patreon page linked in the description box below. You can get some really cool RC Sailor stickers, probably hold up even better than those. Anyway, I want to power these on. We brought our little small plastic ramp today to just have some fun. We're going to go on the small part of the hill, do some speed runs, do some ramping, and we'll trade off and take turns. At the end of this video, we'll decide who likes what vehicle more, and then that's what we'll race if this video gets 1,000 likes. Shouldn't be that hard, but if it doesn't hit 1,000 likes, you obviously don't want to see them race. So let's get to it and have some fun. Well, personally, I really like how this one looks. The shape of the body and even that kind of like urban camo paint splash looks really cool. So I wanted to run it first. Whew. The tires are kind of firm on this one. They're a little softer on the other vehicle. Those are pretty stiff tires, but they're smaller than the other one too. And that's full throttle. There we go, full throttle. Well, it was actually good that he slowed down. That guy just went by, because I realized this does have a high and low rate. And this is the slow rate, so that's nice to know. Let's kick it onto the high. So here, I haven't even showed you the transmitter. It's a nice basic transmitter, just a hard plastic wheel, on-off switch. That's the steering trim knob, steering reverse, and then here is our normal speed. So let's see how much faster. Oh wow, okay. Significantly more torque here. There we go.
Whoa!
Good bit faster. That feels pretty good. Well, I like that because it's running really straight for a budget, kind of a little baby 1/18 scale RC. It's running really straight. Look at that, full throttle. Now you gotta ease into it, because with those hard wheels, if you don't, you get a little bit of this, which you're gonna like, Abby.
Mm-hmm.
Look at that. Oh yeah. Nice. Well, this is definitely an on-road car, isn't it?
Yes.
That's awesome. Look at it. I think I just want to go ahead and start hitting the ramp with this.
Okay.
Okay, let's see if I can hit it on the first try. Oh! Let's try this again. Oh, better. I hit the brakes in the air and it helped it. I really am surprised at the strength of the steering servo on this. Oh. There we go. Well, what's happening is I'm hitting some water down here where that shade is. There's a little bit of water, and it's making it hard to control when I juice up quick. Here we go, one more time. Oh, I missed. Well, although this isn't flipping over, I would say it's your turn. All right, Abby's at the controls. You'll get a feel for it. If you juice it quick, it peels out. But if you ease onto the throttle, oh, it cut out on you. Must
Why do vehicles keep doing this to me?
Must be overheating. All right, we put it back on the slow speed. I think the ESC is overheating. And yeah, you got it. Nice. Good first try. Well, let's run it for another minute and see if that happens again. It could have been a range issue. Could have been. Oh, that was so close. This is not waterproof at all. Nice. Whoo! Is it cutting out?
No.
Oh, she put it back on normal. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Ah, harder to control.
Really is.
I like how this looks. It's like a dune buggy, rail buggy. Oh. There you go. Awesome. Nice clean ramp. Good job. Well, let's see if it can do a little bit of off-roading. Hit the grass and hit the dirt some. Yeah, oh wow. For an 18th scale, that's pretty good. Oh, I see what you're hung up on. A big root. It's actually a baby root, but for an 18th scale, that's a pretty big root. And then, dead cicada, dead cicada. Ah. Oh no. Well, this will tell us if it cuts out here while we're standing this close, then we'll know overheated. It could have been a range issue because I will be honest, I did put used AA's in the transmitter this time. Most of the time I try to get some brand new fresh batteries, and these were a couple.
Hello.
Since it was just 2 AA's, it was an older pair that I had, so that could have been why. Could have been weak batteries in the transmitter, which seems to be the case.
Any little thing, it struggles.
Right, yeah. This is not so much an off-road vehicle, is it?
No.
It's more on-road and very tightly compact dirt. Look, you could go under that log.
I?
Let's do it. Yeah, oh no. Oh, so close. Not much clearance on this little guy at all, when it can almost make it under this. Okay, all right, you're just slamming into a wall. It almost made it. Nope, it's just driving in my shadow the whole time.
Wheel got stuck.
Well, this is recovery 4. I think I was doing a little bit better. I don't think it can make it up even the baby hill, can it?
You can make it up over here.
This is one of the smallest RCs we've ever driven outside, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's really tiny.
They claimed it to be like 1/16 scale or something like that on the internet, didn't they?
18th scale.
But still, that seems smaller than other
I think so.
18th scales.
Well, normally we have 16th scale.
Maybe that's why.
Oh, nice.
Do you want to try?
Yeah.
All right,
I'm
Nate.
going to try to get it to overheat a little bit here.
I think it might have been a range issue.
I do too, because, you know, stupid me putting some weak batteries in here. You're right, this will not make it up anything that's not just dirt. Oh, there's just no tread on those tires, and they're very hard, so you're not getting much dig on there. I enjoyed driving it here, so that's where I'm going to continue to drive it. Look at this thing go when it's on road. That is great on road. I think it's time to switch to the other truck. What do you think?
Yes.
Hoo-ah!
Again.
I like this one.
1,000 likes, and we'll race them.
Yeah, this would do good on the track, I think.
Yes.
Since I started the last one, Abby gets to start with this one, and it might need trimmed a little bit. The other one didn't, though. Out of the box, it did great. Looks pretty good. This one seems quieter?
Yeah, it is.
Maybe just the tires?
Well, this is the slow speed.
Right, it's actually pretty fast. And this one came with 2 batteries, and it cost like $7 more. So
Not
basically,
bad for an extra battery.
yeah.
All right, let's try normal.
Right.
Or fast, but it says normal.
Oh wow, okay. Oh yeah, that's fast. Cool. I think I like this one more. This is really nice.
I thought I would like the Buggy more, but
Me too.
I don't know. Still kind of pulling to the right a little bit.
Oh,
Oops,
you
I
just
did
went the
too
opposite
much.
way, didn't you?
No, I just did it too much.
Oh. There you go, that looks good.
I think we need to get a ramp.
Okay, one more pass, one more pass.
This one you can go full throttle way easier without like spinning out of control.
Well, you know why?
Because the tires.
Tires are softer. This one, you can actually press the tire down and see the difference. So, more control when you have softer tire like that on. You know, I mean, it depends. It really depends. But with a little RC, hard plastic tires just don't do well on almost any surface. Oh, nice. What do you guys bet it's going to go in the water? I'll bet it does. Wow. Pretty tough little thing. Sun glare. Nice. Wow, that was perfect. That was just perfect. Do it again. Sun glare. No, it didn't help that time. You are nailing these ramps. Okay. Okay. You really are just nailing the ramp, like perfectly. Every time you've hit it, all four wheels hit the ground. Every time. Oh, okay. You finally wiped out, but it wasn't so bad.
All right, now time for my beautiful artistic shots. Nate. Holy moly! You're so much better at hitting ramps than me. Ouch! That looked like it hurt. Oh my! What was that? I went like 3 or 4 feet in the air. Why are you doing that?
That's awesome.
Stop! You're gonna break it. Oh my! Oh.
Well, yeah, I had a feeling this one would do a little bit better than the other one off-roading. It does. I just hit a stupid bump when I transitioned. Yeah, there's more clearance, the tires are bigger, wider, so that definitely helps a lot. Although I think I like this one more. I think the Desert Buggy likes me more. And you seem to do really good with this one. When you're hitting the ramp, the first couple times you hit it, you nailed it. Like, it was just perfect. So I think if this video gets 1,000 likes and we end up racing these, I think we know what we'll drive at the track, right? Oh, there's one for you. Ah!
It's pretty cool that those are 4-wheel drive.
You know, the hobby's come so far. You would never have seen anything like this 10 years ago. First of all, electric just wasn't good enough to bother with anything like this. You'd have to do glow, and it had to be like 10th scale or so, unless there was some special made little rig. You know, you couldn't buy something like this for 80 bucks ready to run. So it's small. I would say that these are probably designed for kids. If you want to get a kid something that's better than your average Walmart RC or Radio Shack RC, if Radio Shack is still a thing, it's not in most places. This is a better choice than a lot of that stuff. It really is really tough. Oh no.
Need to move this.
I know it.
It's really in the way.
Really is super tough though. Let us know what you guys think about these budget options for RC. Abby, what do you think before we go?
This is my favorite.
Yeah.
This one's mine. You can have the Buggy.
Sounds good. Okay, well.
And with this one, you get an extra battery, so.
That's right.
Cool.
We'll have both of these linked in the description box below. And just keep in mind, we try to cover really awesome, expensive stuff, but we like to feature things for our budget-minded viewers as well. Not everyone in the world can afford hundreds and hundreds of dollars of RC stuff. So keep that in mind before you voice your nasty negative comments.
That being said.
Yeah, I know. All right, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you in the next video.
Bye!
Oh.
That's what happens when I one-handed.